The games in the zoo. Let us learn few alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Where is letter E? E. Name 4 animals that starts with letter E.
Eagle, earthworm, elephant, elk.
Where is letter C?
C.
Name 4 animals that starts with letter C.
Cat, camel, chicken, cow.
Where is letter G?
G.
Name 4 animals that starts with letter G.
Giraffe, goat, grasshopper, gecko.
Where is letter B?
B.
Name 4 animals that starts with letter B.
Bear, bat, butterfly, bee.
Where is letter A?
A.
Name 4 animals that starts with letter A.
Ant, alligator, anteater, alpaca.
Where is letter F?
F.
Name 4 animals that starts with letter F.
Fox, frog, flamingo, firefly.
Where is letter D?
D.
Name 4 animals that starts with letter D.
Dog, dolphin, duck, dragonfly.
Congratulations!